I'm on the outside.
Hey guys, how's it going? This is MaxNader3 and welcome back to another special video. Now this is my second special video that I'm ever doing, and my first one was of course the 1 year of YouTube special, which was my top 10 most viewed videos, which has changed a lot. And yeah, because that was like 5 months ago, I think. Yeah, 5. So now I'm doing my very postponed, well, not even postponed, just late, because I've had to do this for such a long time and I never really did it. My 25/33 subscriber special. Even though I have 63 subscribers now, I'm doing this now because originally I planned 25 to be this video and 33 to be another video, but I just decided, like, since my channel has been growing recently, well, not recently, but it's not been growing faster than I wanted it to, but it's been growing faster than I expected. So yeah, it's not something that, well, I have a very low subscriber count because there's people with, as you probably know, this video has a lot of cuts in it. Like, there was just one cut, and that's another cut, because, I don't know, I'm just forgetting what I'm supposed to say. But, yeah, as I mentioned before, I originally planned my 25 subscriber special to be this video, and my 33 subscriber special to be another video, but I've kind of merged 25 and 33 together into one video, which was originally my 25, and the video that I planned for my 33 subscriber special is now going to be my 50 subscriber special, which is going to be hopefully coming out soon. And yeah, it's a very late video. Okay, so yeah, this video is basically how to make a YouTube channel. So there's already been 2 minutes of me rambling, so yeah, this video is how to make a YouTube channel. I just have my logo, and thanks for 25/33 subs, even though it's 63 now. And what you need is a computer, obviously yourself, and nothing else really. You don't need an email or a phone number because you will be making a new email. You don't even have to have an email to start with. You could just make one, and I'm pretty sure phone numbers are not necessary. So yeah, and also I forgot to write it in, you also need like Google, like a web browser, but I'm pretty sure computers have that automatically. But yeah, I'll cut it and I'll be right back. So basically what you want to do is go into Google Chrome or whatever your web browser is, and then just, as you see right there, 63, and then just go into YouTube, just youtube.com. You could type that in, and before YouTube channel, I have signed out so it could look like you don't have a YouTube channel. So what you are going to do is you're going to go to sign in and press that. And then once it loads up, you probably won't have accounts. You might have accounts, but I don't know. Well, this is just creating a new account. So you might have an account, but just press use another account and sign in. Over here, press more options right here, and then press create account. So next thing you're going to want to do is press, I would like a new Gmail address. Okay, so name, first and last, this doesn't really matter. You can make this your real name, you could make this your fake name, it doesn't really matter. But right now, I'm gonna put Max, because that's my real first name, if you haven't figured from my channel name, and I'm just gonna put Pokemon as my last, because this is not my channel name. This is just because this doesn't really matter. You could put anything here. You could put random letters here. It doesn't really matter, because this channel, what I'm making, is basically going to be Pokemon unboxings, and I have already made like some content. Like, I've already recorded some content for it. But yeah, choose a Google username. So here's where you choose your email. So what I'm going to do is, yeah, again, it doesn't really matter, but as long as you remember it, I'm just gonna do PokemonYT@gmail.com. Someone has that username. Okay. I'm just gonna do 335. Okay, and then enter your password twice. You need at least 8 characters, and then I'll cut it right now, and I'll be back once I do my passwords, because I do not want to show my password, because what you do is you make your password, you think of a password, make sure you remember it right here, and then you write the same thing right here. Do not write a different one, write the same thing. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so that's your password. Then choose your birthday, and then select your gender. You could say other, or rather not say. You could say other. And you could put in your phone and location. I'm in the United States, but yeah, that's basically what you need. And your current email address, you have to put that in. Make sure that your current email address already exists. Like, yeah, so you kind of do need an email for this, but you could, if you're young and don't have an email, like this one's the first one that you're creating, then you can like use your parents' email or something. And yeah, then enter your phone number, and yeah, you could select your country and then enter your phone number, and then make sure that it's there, everything's there, United States, and then click next step. By choose privacy and terms, by choosing I agree. Okay, just press I agree. Welcome. Your new email address is that. It will be different for you. And press, and then you can see that you press continue to YouTube. And you are now signed in. Now you will not have this TubeBuddy thing, because you most likely do not have TubeBuddy installed. I do, and you probably will not. So yeah, this is like all videos you can watch, and what you want to do is go into your channel. Go into my channel, press my channel, and then here's where you can change your name. Like, if you're wondering how I have like Maxonator 3 as one word, where it requires you to have a first and last name, go click use a business or other name, and I'm just gonna have a different name. Yeah. This will most likely change later on. I'll make this YouTube channel a different name than Maxonator 3, but right now I can't really think of anything else right now. And I will rename my first channel to Maximum83-Gaming. And yeah, and then press create. And yeah, that's what you will use YouTube as. That's your new channel. Okay, so you do not have any uploads. You could go to your creator studio and you can check your videos, and then you could go into a dashboard, and here it could show you like all your subscribers, views, watch time, all of that. And then you could go into community and check all comments and subscribers. Currently I of course have 0 because I just created this. You could go into analytics right here. Yeah, I just created this, so most of this won't load. But yeah, next you're gonna go, as you see 0 subscribers, go into Creator Studio and then go into View Channel. And then you're gonna want to click Customize Channel. And then you could edit this. Now, I will again change this, because but yeah, I will change my pictures, because I do not want a Snivy to be the image for both of my channels. But currently I'm just gonna search Snivy. You could search anything and then go into images and then drag that onto your desktop. Okay, and then go here and then click this edit channel icon and then press edit, and then upload photo, and then go to your desktop and then find what you selected, and then you could adjust the size. You can make it smaller, you can make it like this, and you could move it around and press done when you are done. Okay, and then once you go here and refresh it, then it will load in, but it might take up to an hour. And then you can make your own channel art, but yeah, this is not the video on that. This is about just creating a YouTube channel. So go in and type in 2048 times 1152, and then anything you want it to be, because that's the size it has to be for your channel art. So 2048 times 1152, and then I'm just gonna type Pokemon and then check that all of those are 2048 times 1152, and just trying to find a good one. Just searching. You don't have to be Pokemon. You can choose anything that you want. And yeah, I'll probably change this later, but let's just go with, yeah, let's just go with this. This has all the stars. This is pretty cool. So let's drag that onto your desktop and go here, add channel art, and then you could go into gallery. It has some presets, but if you don't want to, you could just press this, edit channel art. Well, that's the same thing. And then then press upload photos and press select a photo from your computer, and then go into your desktop and find your picture, and it's gonna load up, and on your computer it's gonna look like that on the TV, and like that on your phone. So you can reload. Did it not save? Let's just try that again, because it seems to have not saved. Okay, I'm pretty sure I see. Press select. I didn't press select. Okay, so that's what it looks like right now. And then you could add featured channels. You enable popular channels on YouTube. And then you could, like, once you have your videos, you could put them into playlists. You could have featured channels. You could add a channel description, and yeah, I'll add that off camera, but this basically like write what your channel is about. And speaking of that, I do need to update my main channel description. And featured channels, you could want to press add channels, and I'm just gonna add my own channel, my main channel. And yeah, but if you want to add your friends' channels or whatever you want to add, just add them to there. And yeah, that's how you have your own YouTube channel. And I will make a separate video, on how to upload a video, and that will be my next 50. That will be my 50 subscriber special. If you stayed around till here, you are now hearing what my 50 subscriber special is gonna be. But yeah, that was basically it. So now you have your own channel, you have your channel banner, you have your picture, and you can edit it. But yeah, that's my second channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. Well, how to create your channel, that's what you hopefully learned. And yeah, this was how to make a channel, and I usually don't ask, but if you liked it and if you made a channel successfully, then hit the like button and subscribe if you are new. But yeah, that was it, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.